Donald Trump has made one of the most extraordinary foreign policy announcements of his presidency. He says the United States will effectively take charge of one of the world's most important waterways. He has called the US the guardian of the Strait of Hormuz and said he plans to charge every country using it a 20% fee on cargo. So not only does Trump want America to police the Strait of Hormuz, he now wants the rest of the world to pay the bill. But here's the bigger question. Is this actually a security strategy? Or is it America creating an even bigger crisis after starting one? Speaking first to Fox News and later posting on Truth Social, Donald Trump claimed the United States would take over the Strait of Hormuz. He said America would become the guardian of the Hormuz Strait and charge countries using the route 20% on all cargo as reimbursement for providing security. Trump argued America has protected the waterway for decades without compensation. He also claimed Iran has been militarily crippled, saying its Navy, Air Force and air defense system have been largely destroyed. At the same time, Trump accused Iran of walking away from what he described as a done deal after negotiations. According to Trump, Tehran agreed to everything after meetings, only to later demand changes that America did not plan to budge on. Now here's where things become complicated. The Strait of Hormuz isn't just another shipping lane. Around 1/5 of the world's oil passes through this narrow stretch. Countries like India, China, Japan, South Korea, and many others depend heavily on energy supplies moving through these waters. Any disruption immediately affects oil prices, shipping costs, insurance premiums, and ultimately the price consumers pay at petrol pumps. And that's already happening. Global markets have reacted nervously to the escalating conflict. Oil prices have surged repeatedly during the crisis. Shipping companies have raised risk premiums. Investors have become increasingly cautious. So while Trump says America is protecting global trade, many countries find themselves asking, who pays the economic cost of this confrontation in the first place? This is where the contradiction becomes impossible to ignore. First, launch a military strike. Then, announce that America will permanently control one of the world's busiest trade routes. Then, send everyone the bill. It's a little like setting a building on fire, calling the fire brigade, and then charging the neighbors for putting out the flames. Trump says other countries are very wealthy and should reimburse the United States. But many of those same countries are already dealing with higher energy costs, inflation, and market uncertainty created by rising tensions in the strait. Instead of calming markets, this latest announcement by Trump risks creating even more uncertainty. Because investors aren't just asking whether the strait is secure, they're asking whether international shipping could now become subject to an entirely new American fee. But can the United States legally impose such a charge? Trump's announcement doesn't explain how the proposed 20% fee would be actually collected. Who would enforce it, or under what international legal authority? There has been no detailed White House framework explaining implementation. And that's a major gap. Because the Strait of Hormuz is an international waterway used by dozens of sovereign nations. Any attempt to unilaterally regulate commercial traffic would almost certainly face diplomatic and legal challenges. Now, politically also, this announcement is interesting, as the US is heading towards a crucial midterm elections later in November this year. Foreign policy has often been a platform where presidents try to project strength and decisive leadership. So supporters will argue Trump is demonstrating exactly that. But some may as well argue that Trump has to convince both Americans and allies that he remains firmly in control of a conflict that has already rattled global markets and driven fresh concerns over energy security. So whether this announcement is about long-term strategy or about projecting strength during a politically sensitive period is something voters and history will ultimately judge. One thing is for certain. The Strait of Hormuz is far too important for the global economy to become the center of an open-ended geopolitical experiment by Trump. When nearly 20% of the world's oil flows through one narrow passage, every military decision, every political statement, and every new proposal affects billions of people far beyond Washington and Tehran. The coming days will show whether Trump's Guardian of Hormuz plan becomes actual US policy or simply another headline-grabbing declaration. Until then, the markets remain nervous, oil prices remain volatile, and the world is watching. This is Shivangi Mukherjee for India Abroad.